Sonic, are you sure this is the place?
I knew it by the sound of the woods, the birds chirping. It all just came back to me. That big light that shines through the sky came from where I used to live with Longclaw.
Yeah? So what, do we have to jump in it?
No, the light's probably gone. But something was there, and I need to figure it out.
Okay.
There's no way Longclaw came back. I'm pretty sure Longclaw passed away.
Longclaw's long gone. What?
Not the time for puns. Anyway, I remember walking around here. Hey, where'd the loop go?
Huh.
There used to be one of those loops right here that had run up like that.
Huh. That's weird. It should be here. There shouldn't be here. And by the marks on the ground, it looks like there was one here.
There was. Hold on.
Sonic, what?
There's pieces of it stuck in the floor.
Let me see.
Why does this look so familiar?
I don't know. Let me see. Ah! Tails!
Oh, no!
Ah! Oh! Ow.
I knew that thing looked familiar. This is where Longclaw and me used to live.
It's a little
trash.
dirty. There's not much left.
I remember this.
What is it?
This was my necklace. It was very big. Probably fits me now.
Oh, but then what's this one? It's tangled.
Those were some beads. Not sure. Do I even still have those? They're still here.
It looks like this place got destroyed.
Then this has to be where the light came from.
Probably. It looks like there's ashes on the ground. It looks like it recently exploded.
But who would want to set a bomb or something here?
I don't know. Hey, what's that?
No.
Let's go check it out. Looks like 2 flowers. Why are they in a cup like that?
I don't know. I feel like Longclaw said something to me about these, but I just can't remember.
Let me see. Ah! Ah! Ugh!
Tails! Are you okay?
Ugh. Yeah. But that flower, it zapped me away.
I'm trying to remember. Remember, I was told not to touch them. Ever. That's probably why. They probably hold such power.
Power.
Tails, did you see a tiny light when you touched it?
Yeah.
Then that's what the light serves. Those flowers have to do something with it. We need to go check them out.
Okay. Let's just be careful and don't touch them.
Okay.
Okay. There's some kind of power in these.
Looks like normal water to me.
Looks like the power came from the top here.
Yeah.
What if I held it by the bottom?
Oh no.
There. There we go. You try. Can't be possibly that bad. Huh. Psst. It's like a wand.
Hold on, these could hold great power.
Let's take this back to the house.
Yeah.
Let's go see what these are all about. And take the bracelets.
Yep.
All right, let's go. Okay. So, from Longclaw and your old house, we found these bracelets and wand flowers. This must mean something.
It's gotta mean
But
something.
what? Just, I don't know. Do you remember anything else Longclaw said about these?
Anything else? Tails, I remember.
What? Sonic, you said my name.
I remember.
Remember what?
Well, remember that story I told you of where Longclaw was attacked by things that almost look like knuckles?
Yeah.
Well, this was the only weapon she had for me. These hold great power. I believe these were regular flowers that
Okay.
were struck by lightning and suddenly survived.
Huh. I mean, they are pretty cool.
Yeah, but they're not like any other flower, ever.
What should we do with them?
Well,
Well, we could use these bracelets and these wands. Sonic? You okay?
take a look at the news report.
Green Hills was destroyed? We have to use these. We can bring back Green Hill.
It's the only thing we can do.
We'll become wilderness heroes. And we'll make sure Robotnik or Eggman or whatever you want to call him is not involved in this. And we have to stop it. But we got to be responsible with these flowers. What do you say?
Sounds good, Tails.
Let's suit up. All right. I'm all ready, Sonic.
Good thing this necklace serves as a holder. Maybe she left it there for that reason. I don't know. Well, let's go to the main area of Green Hills to see the destruction.
Yeah.
Come on.
We're here. This is what's left. This is our home. And it's all now destroyed.
Good thing we left Green Hills as a home. But nobody else did. Ever.
This is where I grew up. It's so sad to see everything ruined.
What happened to everybody else? Shadow, Silver, Knuckles.
Amy. Rouge. Well, Rouge, not always.
Cream.
I don't want the same thing to happen to them like it happened to Cosmo. I don't want them to die too.
Tails, don't give up. We'll find them.
Yeah, you're right.
Just because we have great power and our world is almost destroyed doesn't mean we have to quit.
You're right. Now, we gotta find some place to start.
We should start in this woods. It used to have all of its leaves on it. Even though it's fall, I'm pretty sure Shadow sent me a picture of the woods at night. And all the leaves were there.
Okay.
I saw it on his Instagram.
All right. I think the first place to start should be in the woods.
Yeah.
We gotta be careful though. Come on, let's head up. All right. We gotta be careful.
You really do.
Wait, what's that?
Oh no. Come on, Tails, we gotta go in a little further.
Oh no. I have a bad feeling about this. Ah!